Okay, so uh, today's material is about firstly about linear equation. Okay, what is linear equation? The form of linear equation is like this. If you have ax plus by equal to c, or you have the standard form is like this, but you can have like ax equal to by plus c. It can be like this, or if you have by equal to minus ax plus c, this all of them is a linear equation. The key things is in the power of x and y. The power of x and y is 1. Yeah. So if you have the power of x and y is 1, it is a linear equation. And it can be drawn like this, linear equation. Something like this, or this, or something like this, and then something like this. All of them is linear equation. Yeah. So if the line is straight line like this, so the function to draw this line is a linear equation. Okay, in linear equation, there are basic concepts, two important basic concepts. Uh, Suppose there are linear equation like y equal to ax plus b, y equal to ax plus b. A is called slope, and b is called intercept. What is slope? Slope is slope draw or slope explain if x change 1 unit. Yeah, if if x change 1 unit, y will change a unit. So if, for example, if you have y equal to 3x plus 5, like that. So if x change 1 unit, y will change 3 units. So this is the slope. So what is the intercept? Intercept is if x equal to 0, y will be equal to intercept. So intercept is the value of y when x equal to 0. This is intercept. So if you have y equal to 3x plus 5, if you put 0 to x, something like that, you will get y is 5, which is equal to intercept. Okay, this is a basic concept of linear equation. Okay, and then I'd like to explain about how to determine slope in linear equation. The easiest way to determine the slope, the value of slope, is to change the equation until you get form like this. Y equal to ax plus b. So a is slope. For example, if you have 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So you don't know what is slope, how much is slope. So you have to convert this function or this equation until you get y equal to ax plus b. Yeah. How to change it? Okay. We can change this equation to 3y equal to minus 2x plus 6 and y equal to minus 2x plus 6 over 3. So you get y is minus 2 over 3 x plus 2. So you have slope is minus 2 over 3 is slope and 2 is intercept. Yeah, so easy. So if you have a linear equation and you don't know the slope, yeah, change to the form like this. And then how to draw? How to draw in a diagram like this. So to draw the linear equation is firstly you have to determine when x equal to 0, what is y? And when y equal to 0, what is x? Yeah, for example, when x equal to 0, y is, you can put 0 to this, minus 2 over 3 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 2. So when x equal to 0, y is 2. And then when y equal to 0, put 0 uh, in this. And then you will get that, sorry, 0 equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 2. So 2 over 3x equal to 2. X equal to 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, which is x is 3. So when y equal to 0, x is 3. So you can put when y, it is x. When y equal to 0, the x is 3. And then when x equal to 0, y is 2. So you can graph like this. This graph have slope minus 2 over 3. And then the uh, intercept is 2. Okay, until now, any question? Is it okay? Is it clear? Okay, I think it's clear because it's easy. Okay, uh, and then how to solve if you have a linear equation system. Linear equation system is if you have two or more linear equation. Yeah, if you have two or more linear equation, you have to solve to get the right x and so and y. Suppose we have, if we have ax plus by equal to c and then dx plus ey equal to F, something like that. And how to find X and Y? Yeah, there are two methods to determine X and Y. First method called uh, substitution method. And the second method is elimination method. Okay, I will explain this method by using a case. For example, if a company produce A and B, okay, to produce A, it needs 2 man-hour labor and needs um 1 hour machine. And to produce B, it needs one, no, 3 man-hour labor and also needs half hour machine. Okay. Um, Total capacity of man-hour labor is 110, and the total capacity of machine is 35 hours. Okay. The question is, if you have to fulfill, if you have to fulfill the maximum capacity, how much A and B that you have to produce? Okay, this is the question. Okay, how to solve this? Okay, we can firstly we can draw this case to a linear equation. Okay, firstly, um, to produce A, it needs 2 man-hour labor, and to produce B, it needs 3 man-hour labor, and the capacity of man-hour labor is 110. So you can draw this case to linear equation like this: 2A plus 3B equal to 110. Yeah, because 110 is the maximum capacity. And then uh, for producing A, you need 1 hour machine and half-hour machine for producing B. And the total capacity of machine is 35 hours. So you can draw this uh, second equation like this. 1 hour machine, so is 1A plus half B is equal to 35. Or you can delete 1. So A plus half B is equal to 35. So this is the system of linear equation that you have to solve. Okay. How to solve it? I have explained that there are two methods. First, the substitution method, and secondly is elimination method. Okay. Firstly, we will try the substitution method. Okay. Uh, we have first equation and second equation. Okay. Firstly, uh, convert the second equation like this. A plus half B equal to 35. This is so half B is 35 minus A. So B is 35 minus A multiplied by 2 is to this to here. And then B is 70 minus 2A. After you get this 2A, substitute 2A to 1. You have 1. This is so 1 is 2A plus 3B equal to 110. And then 2A plus 3, 70 minus 2A equal to 110. 2A plus 210 minus 6A equal to 110. So minus 4A plus 210 equal to 110. Minus 4A is minus 100. So A is 25. So you get A is 25. So what is B? B is, we can substitute A plus A equal to 25 to A. So B, 70 minus 2 multiplied by 25. So 70 minus 50 equal to 20. It is easy. Is there other methods? Yes. Yes. Uh, you can solve this by using elimination method, which is much more easier for me. You can something like that. Half by 35. Okay, you're right. It is the linear equation that I have written past. So to solve this, you have to make A or B. Oh no, it is A, B, A, B. You have to make the parameter of A or B equal. For example, in this case, I will to make the parameter of A equal. Something like this. You have to multiply this equation by 2. So you have 2A plus 3B equal to 110. And then 2A plus 2 divided by half B is B equal to 70. So you can delete this, and then 3B minus B is 2B. This is 40. So B is 20. This is 7. with the substitution method. And then a plus substitute b equal to 20 to this, a plus half b equal to 35, a plus half 20, 35. So a plus 10 equal to 35, a is 25. Okay, so the result is same. Okay, this is how to solve the system of linear equation. Uh, is there other methods? Yes, we have Cramer's rule, something that famous in economics, and we will explain this next week because it use matrix form. Okay, is there any question until now? Is it clear? Okay, I think it's clear. Okay, and then I will explain another case for linear equation, and I get this case in empirical public finance course, and it use a linear equation for solving this case. So suppose you have the demand function is QD equal to 2000 minus 300p, and then if you have QS is equal to 1 and minus 100 plus 100p. Okay, so uh, if you are asked to determine what is Q and P in equilibrium, it means that you have to equal QD equal to QS, something like that. So 2000 minus 300p equal to minus 100 plus 100p, and then 400p is 2100, and p is 2100 over 400, which is 5.25. And then what is Q? Yeah, what is Q? So you can put 5.25 both to them, either QD or QS. For example, if we put in QD, Q equal to 2000 minus 300p, which is 2000 minus 300 divided by 5.25. 2300 divided by 5.25. How much is this? I have to open a calculator first. 300 is 1575. So the answer is 425. Okay, it's easy. And then okay, we have 425 and P is 5.25. We can draw the graph. Yeah. Firstly, uh, I will write in the here. Okay, if you have this is P and Q. If you have Q or P equal to 0 for QD, P equal to 0, so QD is 2000. 2000. So 2000 is here. And if you have Q is 0, so the P is 300 P equal to 2000. P is 6.67, blah 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 blah. 6.6667, something like this. So you can draw 6.67 in this. Sorry. 6.67. Okay. So the demand curve is like this. And then for the supply curve, you can do the same way. Suppose P is 0, the QS is minus 100. So in this, maybe. And then when Q equal to 0, P is 1. Like that. So 100P equal to 100, because the Q is 0, so P is 1. So in this, so the supply curve is like this. So the equilibrium is 425 here, and the P is 5.25. Okay. Uh, suppose you have a tax. You have tax. Now, if you have tax, use a extension of demand and supply concept. If you have tax and tax is imposed to producer, yeah. If the tax imposed to producer, you have to change the function of supply. Yeah, if there is tax here and the tax is imposed to producer, you have to change the supply function or the supply equation. Okay, so how to change the function? Okay, tax. The characteristic of tax is it will change the price. For example, if price is 5, if there is tax two $2, so your after tax price will be 7. So firstly, you have to change QS equal to minus 100 plus 100P to uh, P equal to blah, 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 something like that. For example, if you have this, so you have to convert this equation to 100P equal to QS plus 100, and P is 0.01 Q plus 1. So Q plus 100 divide over 100, so you get P is PS is 0.01 Q plus 1. So, uh, if the text is 2, this is 2 plus 2. So, PS is 0.01 Q plus 3, something like that. It's easy. But if you want to uh, find the new equilibrium, you have to change the equation of demand to P equal to blah, 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 blah. So if you have minus QD equal to 2000 minus 300P, so 300P equal to 2000 minus QD, so you have P is wait, this is 20 and 20 over 3 minus 1 over 300 UD, something like that. So you have, this is demand price. So you have to equal these two equation. Okay, we can do here. Sorry, it's so easy. 0.01 Q, I mean, yeah, 0.01 Q plus 3 equal to 20 over 3 minus 1 over 300 Q. Okay, so you have, this is equal to 1 over 100. So 1 over 100 Q, or no, not 1 over 100. It is equal to 3 over 300. You can move it to this. So like that, and then move to this. 20 over 3 minus 3 is 9 over 3. So you have 4 over 300 Q equal to 11 over 3. So Q is uh, divided by 11 and 3 multiplied by 4. So Q is this, which is 275. So this is the new equilibrium of Q after tax. So the P, you can apply this to either the new equation of demand or the equation of supply. So if you have 275 in Q, you can put in this. This is from supply, the new supply function. So Q is 275 plus 3. So 2.75 plus 3. So the new price equilibrium is 5.75. Okay. So you can draw the new equation and the new graph in here. Firstly, this is the new equation, this and this. Firstly, for supply function, and for the supply curve, if Q equal to 0, if Q equal to 0, the P is equal to 3. So in this 3, something like that. And when P equal to 0, the Q is minus 300. Yeah, you can put P equal to 0 and you solve Q. Q is minus 300. This is 3, and then this is minus 300. So the supply curve will shift up to here, and then your equilibrium will change. So the P equilibrium, the new equilibrium is in this 5.75, and the new Q equilibrium is 275. Okay, it's easy. It's one of application of uh, linear equation. Okay, is there any question until this? Okay, for the remaining time, I would like to explain about nonlinear equation. It is just basic things about nonlinear equation. So nonlinear equation, if you have the power of x or y is not equal to 1, it is nonlinear equation. Something like if you have y equal to x squared plus 3x plus 5, because the power of x is 2. So it is non-linear equation. And also if you have x over x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 6, it is also non-linear equation. Yeah. And then I'd like to explain about how to solve the nonlinear equation system. Yeah. The method to solve this called is called elimination method. Elimination method or factorize method. Yeah, both of them are same. For example, if you have QD equal to 4 minus P squared and QS is equal to 4P minus 1. So if QD equal to QS, so we get 4 minus P squared equal to 4P minus 1. So P squared minus 4P is plus 5. So, oh no, P squared plus 4P minus 5 equal to 0. So you have to factorize this. This basic things, yeah, that you have to know how to factorize this. You can refer to basic mathematics book in, I think in Indonesia it is junior high school material. So to factorize this, you can factorize this 2 4 no no p plus 5 and p minus 1 equal to 0. So you have p plus 5 equal to 0 or p minus 1 equal to 0. So p is minus 5 or p is 1. But p equal to minus 5 is impossible because price cannot be negative. Yeah, price cannot be negative. How can you will buy something and the seller will pay to you? It is not possible. So the reasonable P is just P equal to 1. Yeah, it is the only solution. So the Q is 4 multiplied by 1 minus 1. So Q is 4 minus 3. Okay, so the P and Q equilibrium is 1 and 3. It is so easy. And final example of a nonlinear equation is, I take this case from one of problem. No, it is the quiz question in IDEX 7905. Uh, graduate preparatory pro graduate preparatory program for econometrics by Prof. Robert Brunick. I take this question from the quiz. So when I think you did the quiz too. If you remember, you have y equal to c plus e0 plus g0. E0 and g0 is exogenous variable. So and then c is 25 plus 6y to the power of half, or it can be written like 25 plus 6 root square of y, and E0 is 16 and G0 is 14. So uh, you you ask you are asked to solve Y star and C star, Y equilibrium and C equilibrium. So it is easy. It is macroeconomic solution, a macroeconomics case, and it is just closed economy because there are no export and import. So you can apply this equation to this, and then this is to this, and to this equation. So put all of them to y. It's easy. So y equal to 25 plus 6y to the power of half minus plus 16 plus 14, and y equal to 6y to the power of half plus, this is 30, 55. Okay, so you have y minus 6y half minus 55 equal to 0, or y minus 6 root square of y 50 minus 55 equal to 0. So I think you will get confused if you see this equation. But if you like if you know ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is same. Why it's same? Because the power of the power of x, the power of x is 2 times more from the power of the variable. The variable this is 2 times from this. So you can apply this to this. The power of this 2 times more the power of this. So it is y to the power of 1. This is 6y to the power of half. So you can solve this by using factorize also. How to solve this? So you get y square root y square root, and then minus 11, I think, minus 11, and then y square root plus 5. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, it is okay because square root of y multiplied by square root of y equal to y, and then minus 11 multiplied by square root of y plus 5 square root of y is minus 6 square root of y, and then minus 11 multiplied by 5 is minus 55. So you have square root of y equal to 11 and y equal to 11 square. So y is 121. And in this, so square root of y is minus 5. But you cannot solve this. Yeah, because there's no square root that the result is negative. So you can do this. So the only equation is y equal to 121. So this is a y equilibrium. What is the c equilibrium? C equilibrium is 25 plus 6y to the power of half. 25 plus 6. This is square root of 121. So 25 plus 6 multiplied by 11. 25 plus 66. And the result is 91. So the C equilibrium is 91 and Y equilibrium is 121. Okay, is it easy? It is easy. So do you have any question? I think it's clear. But if you don't know about linear equation, I think you will get confused when you take macroeconomics class or microeconomics class because all of them use linear equation. Okay, Muhammad, you have any question?
Could you please go to the graph again?
Graph?
Yeah.
This is?
This one.
Okay.
So the left hand, it is minus 300.
Yes, minus 300.
Minus 300. It will come from?
It comes from, wait. The equation is this. The new equation of supply, if PS equal to this is. Okay. So if you put Q equal to 0, when Q equal to 0, PS it's equal to 3. So you have 3 in this in the intercept. And then for the Q, when P is equal to 0, you can apply P equal to 0. So you get 0 equal to 0.01 Q plus 3, 0.01 Q minus equal to minus 3 Q is minus 3 over something like that, which is minus 300. So when P equal to 0, the Q is minus 300.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Is there any other question?
No, thank you.
Okay. From the others? Is it clear? Okay, I think it's clear. So next week we will study about metrics, and I think it's easy too. Yeah, because it is very basic mathematics tutorial.
So do you have any option to show to calculate slope from the graph?
To calculate?
Slope from the graph. Suppose we have a graph.
Yes.
And we want to calculate the slope from the graph.
Logarithm form?
Not logarithm form. We have a graph such as we have a demand curve, and we also suppose we have a one demand curve. We also have a shift of demand curve to the right. and we want to know what's the difference of slope between the two graphs.
Okay. Oh, the slope, the slope.
Slope, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think it is other things, yeah. But I have not. I think I can explain it next
Okay, if
week.
you have any option, then you can explain in the future.
Yes, yes. Because it is like, for example, if you have the
Suppose I have a the production function, then my interest rate of capital is increases or my wage rate decreases, then my production function shifts to the right or shift to
yeah.
the. So then what will be the difference in the slope?
Okay, the slope.
Sometimes it
For,
makes complexity.
okay, for this case, the slope is same between the the supply curve one and supply curve two is same. The slope is same.
If they are parallel.
Yeah, because it's parallel. It's safe. But if the demand curve or supply curve is rotate, not safe. Rotate is like this. For example, firstly you have supply curve like this, and then you have supply curve like this. It is rotate. So for this case, the slope is different. The
Yeah.
slope are different. Uh, what's case that can make like this? For example, if in this case the tax that imposed to the producer is fixed, is $2. But if the tax is a function of price, for example, or no, or the function of Q or the function of price, same, it will shift, it will rotate the supply or demand curve. But I will explain it next week.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I think it's enough for today. Uh, and if you want to rewatch this material, you can visit my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.